866 passing on the mountainside. People in open air and center coast, please enter pending.
Oh, well, we might not see it now. Did we miss the waterfall?
What?
I was trying to see.
If you missed it, don't worry, we'll catch it on the way back. Just remember, I did say it was small.
Right here. Did you get it?
We have reached our destination, Old Penhaven, also known as Penhaven Junction. This is one of the most desolate spots along the rails, located about 7 miles north of Jim Thorpe and 5 miles east of Weatherly. The wide area that our passenger was once an important location of the massive Sunderland and later the railroad. At one time, this junction was the intersection for the canal and 5 rail lines, including the Beaver Meadow, Hastings, and Incline. Late 1800s and early 1900s, a small railroading community thrived in this area, and was only accessible by foot, boat, or rail.
Wait. Wait, Phil.
I was not kidding. He wasn't kidding. He's not kidding. We have to change the time.
Mom.
Folks, while we're stopped, this would be a good time for you to visit our cafe car number 1167, located in the middle of the train. Through a wide variety of snacks.
Wait, they said 67, 6,